Dimitris is here with me 10 months after his hair restoration session. When he came to me, he was a very thin stage 5. Look at this. I think this picture shows exactly how he looked like. It was completely bald on the frontal area, very thin in the mid-scalp and bald on the crown. Now, we did this session of 3,000 grafts on 2-day session. We covered the frontal area with dense packing, and I did some not so dense coverage of the vertex. Why? Because I decided to, and he agreed on taking on finasteride. And this is our result after 12 months. This is how he looks after 12 months with just 3,000 grafts for a stage 5. But we're very happy to see that finasteride worked very well on this patient. You can see that the whole area is covered, and you can also see that the donor area, even though he got a very close haircut just 2 days ago, it looks great. His hair was normal, nothing very thin, nothing thick, and our result seems with just 3,000 grafts, actually 2,920 grafts, it looks very thick. Let's see if now that we will wet the hair. Is it okay if I wet the hair?
Yes, of course, doctor.
Okay, let's wet the hair and see that even with wet hair, the whole area is very nicely covered. And this is short hair, and you can see that combing the hair, sorry about that, on every direction, it looks great. Maybe he would benefit, actually he would benefit from a bit longer hair to have some extra layering on the crown, but you can see that even like this, it looks actually amazing, fully natural. You can come closer. You can see these are his native hair. There was some native hair here, and this is the hairline that we have built. Of course, it's just on the 10th month, so we got maybe 3-4 months ago of growth. I can see some areas that will still benefit from both finasteride and hair restoration. What I want you to know is, are you happy with the result?
Yes, I'm very happy with the result. My hair is not only great, it's amazing. And I want to say a big thank you. And off camera and on camera.
Thank you so much. So this is a present from my clinic for your support and your nice interview. You get this golden comb to comb your new hair and enjoy it for the rest of your life.
Thank you very much, and I recommend anyone to come here fearless and with the best results.
Thank you.